Start with Negaim Perek Hey Mishnah Dalet. Fourth Mishnah in the fifth chapter of Masechet Negaim. We're talking about Safek Negaim. If you have a doubt whether something is Tzaraat or not. So we talked about Safek Negaim, that's Tameh. And Mishnah said only those, the ones that we listed are Tameh, but everything else is Tahor. So it says the Mishnah, Kol Safek Negaim Batchila Tahor. Every initial viewing, or if it's a Safek Negaim in the beginning, it's Tahor. Until you are determined, nizkak means zakuk, definitely determined to be tameh. Meaning, if you're not definitely determined to be tameh, you're a safek, and since you're still tahor, we maintain that status. But mishin nizkak letuma, once a person is determined to be tameh, impure, sfeko tameh, then you're safek tameh. Meaning, once if you have a status of tahor, you are tahor unless you're definitely tameh. If you have a status of tameh, you are tameh until it's definitely tahor. Ketzad, how does this work? What's an example? Shnaim shebo eitzel kohen. Two people came to a kohen. Bazeh baheret kegris, ubazeh kasela. Each one is a baheret. One is the size of a gris, the minimum size, and one is the sela, larger, much larger. Okay, and so the kohen, but the kohen says each one. There's no siman tumah. It's only baheret. No se'arot levano. No michya. But what about spread? So b'sov shavua, and by the way, shnaim is not necessarily two people. We're going to see it's two marot, two different afflictions, two negaim. B'sov shavua bazeh kasela or bazeh kasela. In the end of the week, both of them are the size of a sela. I mean, the one that was kegris grew. So one of them is tameh, and the other one is the same. We don't know which one. We don't know which one spread. Okay, says the Mishnah, Bein be'ish echad, bein b'shnei anashim. What we're talking about, one person or two people. So one person comes in, he's got one here and one here. Okay, and so the Mishnah says, so in each one, so now we know if it's two people, I get it. Because you don't know which one of them has not spread and one of them has spread. So you say, okay, it's Safek. But in here, it's the same person. Interestingly, the Mishnah says, Bein be'ish echad, one person with two negaim. So he says, Afagav, even though, De manavshach. Manavshach here is a very important term. Manavshach means either way. What difference does it make? Manavshach. What difference does it make either way? Manavshach means what do you want? Yeshbo baheret achat shepasa. The same guy has one baheret that spread. Otashit chilata kigris v'achshav kesela. It started as a gris and now it's a kesela. One of them grew and one of them does not. We should make that guy tameh. Afilu hachi. Nonetheless. Since you don't know which nega is the one that's going to make you tahor, tahor migzerat takatuv. Again, this is one of those places where it's not logical. And the Bartunera says it's not logical. It's a gzerat takatuv. It says v'im pasot tifseh ba'or v'timei kohen oto. If the nega spreads, then the kohen will make it tameh. Et hanega vadai hu mitameh. Only a definite nega can the kohen say is tameh. Ve'eno mitameh et hanega sheyesh bo safek. We don't make the nega. We don't mitameh the nega. That's a safek. That's a Bartunera explains. It's a gzerat takatuv. That's the only way to explain it. And therefore, even if it's one person, therefore we say it's tahor. Rabbi Kiva says beish echad tameh. Sorry, I get it for bishnei anashim tahor. With two people, I agree it's tahor. But one guy, it's ish echad. You have to say tameh because you know that guy, and then he has one nega here, one on the spread. You don't know which one. I don't accept your gzerat hakatuv. We'll stop and dedicate our learning. Remember my father, Rav Simcha ben Yitzchak Kalman. Make it a great day.